Today I'm going to show you how to turn your scrap wood into 3 different phone holders. Let's get started. For this first project, you're going to need just a little tiny piece of wood. This is black walnut, but you don't really have to use it. You can use just a regular fence picket or a 2x4. So we're going to measure in 3 inches right there, and then 1 inch into it, you're going to make it a little tick mark, and then go in about 5/8 of an inch, then make another mark, and then you can make those lines straight. Now we'll cut this line at a 30-degree angle. Come to your bandsaw or jigsaw and cut in those lines, only going half the width of the piece. Now give it a sand. Mark your piece at the center of the top and then drill a 1/8 inch hole right there. Then just give it one last sand. And then if you want to, you can slap some mineral oil on it. And there's our first of 3 phone holders. Now we're gonna make one a little bit more upgraded. Grab a piece of wood over 1 inch thick and cut it down to 4 inches. Now measure in 1.5 inches and then another 1/2 inch. Draw 2 lines going from corner to corner. This is what your board should look like. Come back to your bandsaw and cut those lines, only going about half the width of the board. Grab a chisel and a hammer and knock out that middle section. Alright, there you go. Come back to your drill press and switch that 1/8 inch drill bit out with a 1 inch drill bit. Now drill down with that drill bit till it meets that groove. No. Well guys, it slipped out my hands and broke it right there. Time to make a new one. Alright guys, I just went back and made a new one, so hopefully this doesn't break. Alright, change of plans. I'm gonna go to the vise and drill it with just a hand drill. Again guys, this doesn't have to be done with walnut. I put out this video right here and made this same design with no power tools and a little piece of 2x4. So I'd consider watching that video. Alright guys, well this one right here is a little bit more upgraded than the last one. It is a phone holder with an audio amplifier. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to the last project. For this last project, we're going to use another piece of walnut. Alright, I'm going to trace out what it should look like and I want you to guess what it is going to be. Let's go cut it out on the bandsaw. For this part, you can use a jigsaw, scroll saw, or in my case, I'm going to be using a bandsaw.
This feels nice.
Well guys, there you go. I just showed you how to turn your scrap wood into 3 different phone holders. Now if you like this video, I think you might like some of my others. So I'll put my woodworking playlist right here. And if you want to subscribe, I will put that right here. So thanks for watching. I will see y'all next time.